Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reorder Paragraph Real Exam Question Series. This is 42nd video in this series. It means that we have already discussed 41 real exam questions along with the tips and tricks, how to solve them so that you are able to achieve your target scores. First things first, now PTE is accepted in UK as well as 90% of Canadian universities now accept PTE, and a new test which is PTE Home is available if you are going for family visa in the UK. This is my scorecard. My name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE. Now question students ask how you did it. Then the simple answer is based on the strategies which we teach along with the tips and tricks, right? And we discuss tips and tricks in this video series. So that's why do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. PT reading, it is of 32 to 41 minutes and it is not scored out of 90. The reading module is not scored out of 90. The total marks for PT reading module is just 47 marks and it has 5 question types, and the order of reorder paragraph, that is the third question type in this order. So you have to remember why, because we plan for every second and minute. Okay. This is the real PT reading scoring, and you can see that the reading contributes just 47 marks. Out of that, reorder paragraphs are of 6 marks. So if you are getting 3 reorder paragraphs, they will be of 2 marks each. But her mark important hai, right? Because PT में you can get 64 marks and then you will say कि sir target score achieve नहीं हुआ, 65 चाहिए या 66 चाहिए. So that's why it's important and every mark count. Now about the timing, because integrated timer hota hai reading ka, so you have to manage your time yourself. So you can spend a maximum of 2 minutes each on each reorder paragraph. So if you are getting 3 reorder paragraphs, let's say you can spend a maximum of 6 minutes on them. And in 2 minutes, you have to skim the content, you have to read it, right? And then you have to make pairs. Making pairs is very important, and you have to confirm whatever pairs you have made are correct or not. So this is today's topic, and as usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to skim through this, and then we are going to discuss this. Okay, so you know that the first thing which we do is first we skim the content for finding independent line, and there are certain rules, strategies and tips on which we find the independent line. और साथ में अगर हमें concluding line मिल जाती है which is optional or better है but नहीं भी मिलती है, so it's fine. So let's see. The first line, sometimes the infant was dressed in blue and was called Adam, and sometimes it was dressed in pink and was called Beth. अब यहाँ पे द इन्फेंट यूज हो रहा है. अगर तो इन्फेंट के बारे में कहीं बात नहीं हुई है पहले, तो मे बी इंडिपेंडेंट हो सकती है. बट जनरली एक तो समटाइम्स की बात हो रही है कि जैसे कोई बात की होगी तभी हम समटाइम्स कहते हैं ना, कभी कभी ऐसा हुआ, कभी कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ. ओके, so that's why it's not an independent line, because एक तो the infant है और साथ में sometimes भी use हो रहा है. Okay. Second, this study found. कौन सी study? कुछ idea नहीं है, right? So this study found, it's not an independent sentence. Okay, this study is a pronoun. It cannot be an independent sentence. There were 3 toys in the room: a train, a doll, and a fish. So यहाँ पे बात हो रही है कि there were 3 toys in a room. Okay, train है, doll है और fish है. Seems like independent line नहीं है. जैसे हम कोई बात कर रहे होंगे तभी हम कह रहे हैं वहाँ पे 3 toys थे, there were. So वहाँ पर 3 toys थे. So that's why it's not an independent line also. The research by Will and colleagues dressed 6-month-old babies in different colored outfits that didn't necessarily match their gender, so the participants had no way of knowing if the baby was in fact a boy or girl. Yes, seems like an independent line, okay? And this is our independent line because in process of elimination say, you remember process of elimination, I call this as POE is BFF, best friend forever. PT की रीडिंग में आपको POE से अच्छा फ्रेंड नहीं मिलेगा because it helps you to eliminate the wrong answer और जो ऑप्शन बचा होता है that is going to be the right answer. So we have found out the independent line and we are going to drag this to here. Now two things which I want to inform over here to our students who are watching this video is this. The first thing, that adjective rule. If you have attended our lectures or grammar course, you know that I put a lot of emphasis on the hyphens for adjectives. जहाँ पे भी babies is your noun and जहाँ पे भी एक से ज़्यादा word is acting as a single adjective for a noun, it's going to be used with hyphen. For example, 6-month-old. Okay, तो 6 और month के बीच में भी hyphen है और month और old के बीच में भी hyphen है. Second thing I want to tell, in fact, बहुत सारे students in fact को as a single word लिखते हैं. The answer is no. It's going to be two words. Okay, so that's why you have to take care of these things. These little things can improve your marks, writing me especially. So please pay attention to these things. Coming back to the topic. अब नेक्स्ट लाइन आपको फाइंड आउट करनी है. यहाँ पे क्या बात हुई कि आपने बेबीज की बात इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया, कलर्ड आउटफिट्स की बात हो गई है, ठीक है, और जो उनके जेंडर से मैच नहीं कर रहे थे. अब कलर्ड आउटफिट्स के बारे में बात हो रही है एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई आवर टीओ स्ट्रैटेजी, एसओ स्ट्रैटेजी. ओके, सो समटाइम्स द इन्फेंट वाज ड्रेस्ड इन द ब्लू. यहाँ पे देखिए स्पेसिफिक, ब्रॉड से स्पेसिफिक स्ट्रैटेजी भी यूज हो रही है. व्हाट इज दैट स्ट्रैटेजी? जहाँ पे आप देखिए कि आपने पहले बहुत सारे बेबीज को जनरलाइज किया और उसके बाद आपने स्पेसिफिक कर दिया एक इन्फेंट को. ओके, सेकेंड थिंग, यहाँ पे एसओ स्ट्रैटेजी भी अप्लाई हो रही है. कलर्ड आउटफिट्स की बात कर रहे हो तो यहाँ पे आपकी वो कलर्ड आउटफिट्स की बात हो रही है कि कभी ब्लू और कभी पिंक. ओके, राइट, सो दैट्स हाउ you have to make sure कि आपकी पेयरिंग सही हो रही है. So we have found out कि second line is going to be this, so we are going to place it over here. Now let's see the next line. The study found that babies dressed in the blue and thought to be boys were more likely to be given the train. द ट्रेन कहाँ इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहा है? यहाँ पे, राइट. सो पहले चीज इंट्रोड्यूस होगी उसके बाद द लग सकता है, तो यू नो दैट. और यहाँ पे वैसे भी ड्रेस की बात हो रही है, ब्लू ड्रेस यहाँ से मैच हो गया. ओके, ट्रेन कहाँ से मैच होगी? ट्रेन कहाँ इंट्रोड्यूस हो रही है? इस लाइन में. सो नाउ यू नो कि आपका जो नेक्स्ट लाइन है वो कौन सी बनेगी ओवर हियर. ओके, because there were three toys, a train, a doll and a fish. अब वैसे भी लास्ट लाइन बची हुई है वो यहीं पे फिट होती है, बट डिपेंडिंग अपॉन आवर एसओ स्ट्रैटेजी, अगर आप यहाँ पे देखिए ड्रेस की बात भी हो गई है, टॉयज की द डॉल, यहाँ पे अ डॉल है, यहाँ पे अ ट्रेन है, यहाँ पे द ट्रेन हो गया. सो अगेन यू आर गोइंग फ्रॉम ब्रॉड टू specific. Okay, now let's see if the order is correct or not. Yes, the answer is correct. So you see, if you follow our strategies, our SO strategy, broad to specific strategy, right, independent line rules, you can easily solve your reorder paragraphs. These are certain tips and tricks, the strategies, the hacks you can say, which are going to help you to crack your reading. And what are our strategies? We tell our students who take online coaching or in-institute coaching how to find independent lines. Then broad to specific strategy, you have seen its implementation today. Then CO strategy, connectors के साथ भी हम pairs करते हैं. TO strategy, topical order strategy, AB rule, abbreviation rule, SO strategy, subject object strategy, and last sentence rule. So all these are the strategies and rules which we teach to our students so that you are able to solve reorder paragraphs quickly and within 2 minutes. So in first 30 to 60 seconds, you have to skim the content, you have to find an independent line. If possible, it's optional, find conclusion line. And then in next 30 to 60 seconds, look for clues, you have to find pointers, you can use process of elimination also. All the strategies which we teach to our students are validated and proven strategies. What's the proof? The proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many students have achieved their target scores, and these are some of our success stories, latest success stories where students have scored 90, 87, 86, 82, 81. So if they can score, you can also score. This is our WhatsApp number 8699121121. If you have any question or doubt, do not hesitate to contact us for in-institute or online coaching, and do subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.